Hi there, cat lovers. Have you ever tried giving your cat a bath? If you have, you probably know how much they love it. Just kidding. For most cats, bath time feels like their worst nightmare. But why is that? Why do cats dislike baths so much? And do they even need them? Today, we're diving into this tricky topic to clear up some common questions. And by the end of this video, you'll know if your cat actually needs a bath and how to do it without stress for both of you. Let's start by addressing the big question: do cats need to be bathed? Do cats need baths? Cats are naturally clean animals. They spend hours grooming themselves every day. Their tongues are designed like tiny brushes, helping them remove dirt and loose fur. For most cats, this self-grooming is enough to keep them clean. In fact, overbathing can strip their skin of natural oils. This can lead to dryness and irritation. However, there are exceptions. Some cats may need a bath in specific situations. For example, if your cat has gotten into something sticky, oily, or harmful, a bath may be necessary. Long-haired breeds like Persians might also need occasional baths to manage their coats. And if your cat has skin issues or allergies, your vet might recommend medicated baths. But here's the thing: bathing should not become a regular habit for healthy indoor cats. How often should you bathe your cat? The answer depends on your cat's lifestyle, health, and breed. For most indoor cats, you won't need to bathe them at all. They're great at keeping themselves clean. If your cat is short-haired and healthy, their grooming routine is usually enough. For long-haired cats, a bath every 4 to 6 weeks might help, especially if they struggle with matting. But even then, brushing regularly can reduce the need for baths. Outdoor cats might require more frequent cleaning. They're more likely to get dirty or pick up parasites. Always consult your vet if you're unsure. They can give you advice based on your cat's specific needs. What are the effects of bathing on cats? Here's where things get interesting. Bathing can be stressful for cats. Most cats dislike water. It's not just the water itself. They dislike feeling wet and having their fur soaked. Stress from bathing can affect a cat's behavior. Some cats might hide, hiss, or become aggressive. Others may avoid you for hours afterward. But stress isn't the only issue. Overbathing can cause skin problems. Cat skin produces natural oils that keep their fur shiny and healthy. Frequent baths can strip these oils, leaving their skin dry and itchy. That's why it's important to keep baths to a minimum. How to bathe your cat without stress. If you do need to bathe your cat, preparation is key. Here's a step-by-step guide to make it as stress-free as possible. Choose the right time. Pick a time when your cat is calm. After a meal or play session is ideal. Trim their nails before the bath. Trim your cat's nails. This reduces the risk of scratches if they get scared. Brush their fur. Remove any knots or tangles before the bath. This will make the process smoother. Use the right products. Always use cat-specific shampoo. Human shampoos or even dog shampoos can harm their skin. Prepare the bath area. Use a sink or a small tub. Fill it with just a few inches of lukewarm water. Cats feel safer if they can stand without being submerged. Keep it gentle. Wet your cat using a cup or a spray nozzle on a gentle setting. Avoid their face and ears. Massage the shampoo into their fur and rinse thoroughly. Dry them properly. Use a soft towel to pat them dry. Avoid rubbing, as this can irritate their skin. If your cat tolerates it, use a pet-safe blow dryer on the lowest setting. Reward them, give your cat treats, and praise afterward. This helps create a positive association with the experience. Signs your cat might need a bath. Sometimes it's obvious when a bath is necessary. Maybe your cat has rolled in mud or gotten into something smelly. But other times, the signs are more subtle. If your cat's fur feels greasy or smells bad despite grooming, a bath might help. Health issues like fleas or fungal infections could also require bathing. Always check with your vet if you're unsure. Alternatives to bathing. What if your cat just won't tolerate a bath? Don't worry, there are alternatives. Dry shampoos for cats can be a great option. These are easy to apply and don't require water. You can also use pet-safe wipes for quick cleanups. And of course, regular brushing goes a long way in keeping your cat clean and healthy. Bathing your cat might sound like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. The key is knowing when it's necessary and when it's not. For most cats, less is more. Their natural grooming habits do most of the work for you. If you do need to bathe them, a gentle, patient approach makes all the difference. Remember, your cat's comfort and well-being come first. With the right care, even bath time can become a little less scary for your furry friend. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell us in the comments, what's your cat's funniest reaction to water? See you next time on Cats Know How.